Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to use that auto reply on emails on Outlook. Again, as you can see here, I have my Outlook open. That being said, if you don't have an Outlook, you can create one simply by using your Gmail or Google account. However, please note that if you use a Gmail account or a Google account, make sure you have access to it, because after creating an Outlook account, after opening your Outlook app, it's gonna ask you for a code that will be sent on that specific Gmail that you use. Make sure you have access to that, okay? Don't just use any random email. That being said, open our Outlook account, and this should be the landing page with our emails right here. That being said, just click on new email right here. You don't have to put anything on the send or recipient. The CC bar, you don't have to put anything there. Now let's go straight to the subject. Just type here out of office. Just make a simple template or an email if you're emailing someone, okay? Type the letter of the body, so just type in I will be out of the office. I will be out. Office starting tomorrow. Include the date, of course, until Friday. Again, include the date to be specific. We need to be professional here, okay? Professional and specific. Again, please do not contact me. Of course, we don't want anyone to contact us outside of our office if we're on vacation or we're out of office, right? Please do not contact me unless it is urgent. Here are my contact info. And put your info right there, and you're good to go. This is a very basic or very general out of office email. If you're done, just click on Save As. Make sure that you choose Outlook template over here. Okay? Because the default one is Unicode. Make sure you choose Outlook template and always save on the pre-default location. You don't choose desktop, documents, downloads, or whatsoever. Just save on the preloaded documentation location, okay? Click on Save. With that being said, you can remove this one and go straight to File. Click on Rules and Alerts. Make a new rule. Apply rule on messages, the one when receive, okay? Don't choose the one on sent, because we're gonna have this one rule for the receiving end. Click on Next. This is the first part. There are some commands here to make a very specific rule. You don't have to put anything here because it's not really necessary. If you want, you can do so. Anyway, I'm skipping this one. This is the important one, the second part. Make sure you choose or look for the one that says reply using specific template. Let me just check that one out. And then reply using a specific template. Let's download the template we created earlier. Choose user, templates, and file system. Choose out of office. Click open. Click next. Again, the third part is the same as first part. If you want to choose anything here, you can do so. However, on my end, I won't do. And that being said, click on next. Make sure this part or this box is ticked. Turn on this rule. Click on finish. Again, by the way, before you click finish, let's just type in auto reply out of office. So if you made a different rule or you created another rule, we won't be confused, right? That being said, click on finish. Click on apply. Click on OK. And that's it. Easy as that. You don't have anything to do anymore. Auto reply email out of office will automatically be set on your Outlook. That being said, please enjoy the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have a good one.